Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at a very different place, and this is probably one of the best places I visited to have a good hearty Sri Lankan meal. So this place is known as Priyamali Gedara. Priyamali, the lady you just saw wearing red, she's the one who cooks all of this goodness, and this is the kitchen. They don't use LP gas to prepare the food. It's done the traditional way, using firewood, and this is how it looks like. It's very clean, I have to tell you that. The kitchen was clean, the people who were helping out, they were clean, so you don't have to worry about cleanliness over here. So this is the area that you have to actually sit and have your meals. So these huts are made in a way that large groups can come together at once and enjoy the feast. So it's a buffet. What they do is, I will show you towards the midsection of this video on how they lay all of it, and you have to overlook the paddy fields and have your lunch basically. So we decided to take this hut on to your right, and when we settle down, they slowly bring the dishes from the kitchen to this place. Even if you're one person or if you're together with two people, they still lay out the buffet in these dishes. So it's about 30 to 35 curries. So this is the place that I'm talking about, Priyamali Gedara Farmer Lunch, and it's located in Polonnaruwa, passing Giritali in between that area. So this is the exact directions to the place. So if you're going, don't forget to give them a call and reserve your place, because it gets really busy during lunchtime. So the directions to the place is available on Google. You just have to type Priyamali Gedara and it comes, because it's so popular on Google and TripAdvisor. So yeah, and I have to tell you, this buffet is 1,500 per person. You may feel that it's a bit too much for a Sri Lankan lunch, but it's fully worth it, because once you see the spread and once you taste it, you feel the value of what you pay. So I don't think it'll be a disaster like you pay at some places. So just come here and check it out. You won't be disappointed at all. And if I am to pick between Navaloka, Palis by Navaloka, then Nugagama at Cinnamon Grand, and maybe Tuna Paha at Water's Edge, this place still ranks number one for me. So that's how good this place is. So here you see they're setting up everything. It's Sri Lankan rice and curry, but you have roti, then you have vade, cutlets, fried fish. It's a feast, guys. So don't forget to come and experience this, because you won't have anything better than this anywhere else. I can assure you that. So check it out. Here you see some of that goodness. The presentation, the friendliness of the people, it's all here, guys. So it's a nice experience all in all. And it was really nice to see foreigners coming in to have these businesses here. So yeah. So now they will, when they're done laying the dishes, then they go through all of it with you, and they tell you what and what the curries are, so we have a better understanding of the traditional curries. Menu.
Gotukala, Batamati, Sambola, Salad, Tiputu, Kesel menu, Amber, Manyapa, Mas, Paru.
Monamas?
Kuku.
So to finish it off, they have a perfect dessert like this. So once again guys, thank you for watching. If you're ever in this area, don't forget to check out this place. I'll see you soon in my next video.